So let's say you have a very long piece like this and you want to separate it. And this is an example, of course, because this piece will not break under that kind of pressure. So this is a very long piece, and you're going to begin with this place, right? And if you pry open like this, the thing is that wait, if you're going to open it like this, this part and this part, they have the risk to break. The little pegs they have here, they may break. So in order to avoid that, you put this one in your finger and you put it up there so you can pry open in both sides like this. So this is very helpful, because if you do it with your finger, it's not going to be as easy. You can use this for that purpose. So this is very helpful for this kind of situation, and even in smaller parts. And let me see where I can find. And even in smaller parts like this one, and you have like this whole crevice, you're going to put your separator here to try to pry it first. And this is going to take a while, isn't it? This is going to take a while. There you go. So as you can see, or if you see that, you put a lot of pressure there. Look how much bending you have in the plastic, and that's very dangerous, okay? So what you want to do in that case is to leave something there, to lift it up a little bit, okay? I don't know if you can see in the camera, because this is really a shitty angle, and this one didn't broke, but you may break it, especially when you're going around here. So you can use this to pry it open, either with your right hand or left hand, whatever hand you want, or you feel more confident to do this. And you begin to pry open with the other one, you see, to avoid breaking the part. If you ever need to separate this, because these ones are never meant to be separated ever again once they're in their place. And let me separate that for you so you can see what I mean. So you reach to this point, okay? You have the whole side already up. You take this, you put it like this, and you pry with both sides to avoid any cracks if you ever need that. This is not exactly the best piece to do that. I don't know if you can see the bend over there. So to avoid that kind of bend, you put the piece there and you pry open, and that pretty much results in the piece separating with ease, like a crab shell, pretty much. And that's it. That's what I meant with this other tool you can use, and these are guitar picks that are very inexpensive.